Number one. Ta-da!
Hey, Flint, I got your message. Oh, no, what happened to you? Flint, everyone gets humiliated on national television. It's not that big a deal.
Yeah, but not everyone gets humiliated in front of their childhood hero. I'll never be a real inventor in Chester's eyes. Mom gave me this lab coat because she always dreamed I'd do great things. Now I guess I won't.
Now that's a big bucket of chum.
Flint, you don't need Chester's approval. You can still make the world a better place without an orange vest.
I don't get vests. Is it winter on your torso and summer on your arms?
For what it's worth, the people who really care about you think you look great in your lab coat. Good night, Mr. Lockwood.
Good night, my dear. Listen, this, Chester V guy, he promised us we'd be home before we know it. Well, we darn sure know it, and we're not home. So I say, you, me, and your friends, we take the boat. We can go fishing every day. And if there's still a mess on the island, we can go clean it up ourselves.
Dad, please, I'm not into fishing. And cleanup? You're way too old to be doing that kind of work.
I'm only 49.
Flint Lockwood, please.
Oh, Flint. Could you come to the door, please? I think it's that monkey in your poster.
What? No! Ah! Barb?
Good day. I'm afraid I have something very important to discuss.
With you.
Chester V wants to see me?